Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by assessing the lightning rod and grounding path. You don't delay. Put on gloves and eye protection and make sure the soil is dry so you avoid conduction. Turn off nearby electrical circuits and keep at least one person nearby for safety. Inspect the top, conductor and ground, clamp visually for corrosion or loose bolts. Once done, organize your tools, wrench, insulated pliers, replacement clamp, and a continuity tester, so you can act quickly and confidently. You now loosen the ground clamp bolts while supporting the conductor to prevent sudden movement. Once bolts are loose, retract the conductor a few inches and slide on a non-conductive cap or insulator to isolate the tip. This prevents accidental conduction while you finish. Clean the contact surfaces thoroughly with a wire brush so metal-to-metal connection later will be solid. Make sure to recheck alignment. Uneven strain causes future failure. Use short, deliberate motions and verify each step visually before proceeding. You finish by seating the conductor and tightening the clamp to the manufacturer's torque specification. Do not over-tighten because you can strip the bolt. Then, use your continuity tester to measure resistance. Expect a low-ohm reading if the path is sound, so you know the rod is effectively closed. Backfill any disturbed soil and secure any cable runs. Finally, document the action and date for future checks. If resistance is high or sparking occurs, stop and re-clean contacts or replace the clamp immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.